Some people check into a luxury hotel and walk out with a suite they didn't pay for. It happens quietly, consistently, and almost always to the same type of traveler. It's not charm, it's not luck, it's a system. And once you understand how it works, you can be on the right side of it every time. Here's what most people don't know. At major luxury hotel chains, upgrades are no longer a front desk decision. They're automated. Marriott rolled out its automated complimentary upgrade system in July 2025. For Titanium Elite members, the result was immediate. 100% of stays upgraded, with 71% of nights spent in suites, assigned by the system before they even arrive. Most travelers are still standing at the desk asking politely. The guests who know this are already in the suite. The second thing the upgrade system looks at, before your loyalty tier, before your rate, is where you booked. At Four Seasons, guests booked through preferred partner programs like Virtuoso or Amex Fine Hotels and Resorts are upgraded 82% of the time. Guests who booked through Expedia or Booking.com, around 50%. The hotel can't see your profile through an OTA confirmation, so the system filters you out before the upgrade list is even generated. That's not bad luck, that's architecture. This one surprises almost everyone. Certain rate codes, particularly non-refundable rates and flash sale promotions at Marriott and Hyatt, carry an internal tag that makes them completely ineligible for complimentary upgrades, even for gold members, even if the hotel is half empty. No one tells you this at booking. But hotel revenue systems encode it invisibly. The cheapest flexible rate at the same hotel will often get upgraded. The deal rate won't, ever. The final piece. World of Hyatt Globalist and IHG Platinum Elite both offer something most travelers don't know exists. Confirmable suite upgrades. Booked in advance, guaranteed, not subject to availability at check-in. Confirmed, in writing, before you travel. A single elite tier in the right program can unlock suite-level inventory that other guests, including those paying more, never even see offered. The right loyalty tier, the right booking channel, the right rate code, 3 decisions made before you ever leave home. That determine the room you wake up in. Subscribe. Every week, one more thing the quiet luxury traveler already knows.